On this episode of We Remember, I feature Early B, the doctor.
All the nice girls in the world die, come down with love on it, see? Down to mercy.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Lassie, I think they are ready. Rasta think they are ready. Lassie, I think they are ready.
Viewers, Earlando Neil, better known by his stage name Early B, a name he got through gaining a reputation for arriving early to dances. So, Earlando became Early Bird, and eventually just Early B. Born on the 28th of February 1957, Earlando left school at age 17 to support his mother and the two brothers. Originally trying his hand at singing, he decided to change his focus in 1978 when he started DJing and soon met Cataract, who later became known as Super Cat, taking him as his protege. Early B and Cat started DJing for Soul Imperial Hi-Fi in the early 80s. Not long after, they both left for King Majesty over in St. Thomas. However, frustrated about not getting enough sessions with King Majesty, Early B eventually moved on to Kilimanjaro. Interestingly, it was after the murder of Jim Kelly, brother of Junior Kelly, that the Sound was searching for someone who could replace a DJ that they contacted Supercat, who joined. Soon after, Early B was also a part of the team. Early B lyrics were culturally potent, noted mainly in his hits Visit of King Selassie, History of Jamaica, and Wheelie Wheelie, also called One Wheel Wheelie.
It was the year 1966. And Selassie I made a visit. Mr. Rasta make the Babylon them look like rubbish, Lord.
He took the storytelling aspect of the music to a whole new level, with more hits like Send In the Patient, The Gate Man Get Freed, Sunday Dish, and Learn for Drive. In 1986, Early B, who was also called the Doctor, was voted DJ of the Year in Jamaica. He also worked for Stuart Brown's African Star Sound System based in Toronto, Canada, and Crystal Blue in New York. Early B's story is another one of Jamaican music's many tragic tales, as he was shot on the 11th of December 1994 at Windsor Cricket Club in Dorchester, Massachusetts. He was allegedly hit by a stray bullet and was killed. While rumors have long circulated as to possible reasons behind his death, his killers have never been found. Early B recorded several albums during the mid-80s, which remain well circulated in the digital age today. Several tribute compilation albums have also been released, such as Immortal and a memorial tribute to reggae hits. Sadly, on the 26th of September 2008, Early B's son Richard was shot and killed in what is believed to have been a robbery gone wrong. May the soul of the first musical doctor, the early one, rest in peace.
Take it! Lord, I love them.
Teach them! Hey yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!